In this video, I am going to show you how to change TikTok location to the USA and target US audience. If you are trying to utilize TikTok's platform to make money, you would like to target the US audience because it is the biggest worth targeting. The US audience is usually more willing to actually buy something compared to many other regions' audience. However, TikTok's algorithm is built to show the content you publish mainly to your own region or country where you live. Thus, the people who are living in the US have a huge advantage over the non-US people when promoting something on the TikTok platform. TikTok knows your region from the IP address, your SIM card, GPS location, and Google Play. Instead of downloading the TikTok app from the Google Play, download the installation file, which is APK. To change your region on TikTok. So, after many tests, I would say that the best combination is a smartphone without a SIM card, but a virtual number. A VPN solution like NordVPN that allows you to connect to various VPN pools. Disable also your smartphone's location services. However, this setup isn't bulletproof by any means. Even with this setup, TikTok showed my content mainly to my region. However, with this strategy, I was able to target the US audience as well. 30 to 40% of views came from the US. I was able to achieve this in a short period of time, so you can follow this strategy. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video, we will